Hello everyone. Today, we are learning a valuable skill for car owners. We will test a camshaft position sensor using just a multimeter. This sensor is vital for your engine's operation. It tells your car's computer the exact position of the camshaft. This information is critical for fuel injection and ignition timing. A faulty sensor can cause rough idling, engine misfires, poor fuel economy, or even a no-start condition. Let's dive in. First, safety is paramount. Always disconnect your car's battery before working on electrical components. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Ensure your engine is cool to the touch. Next, locate the camshaft position sensor. Its position varies by vehicle. Consult your car's service manual if you are unsure. It is often found on the cylinder head or engine block, near the camshaft. Once located, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Now, let's use our multimeter. We will cover a few common tests. 1. Visual inspection. Before any electrical tests, always perform a visual check. Look for any signs of physical damage to the sensor itself. Check the wiring harness for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections. Sometimes, a simple broken wire is the culprit. 2. Power and ground check. For 3-wire sensors, many camshaft sensors are Hall effect sensors with 3 wires. One is power, one is ground, and one is the signal wire. To test the power supply to the sensor, reconnect your car's battery temporarily. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Set your multimeter to DC volts. Place the red probe on the suspected power wire terminal inside the harness connector. Place the black probe on a known good ground point on the engine or chassis. You should see a reading of around 5 volts or 12 volts, depending on your car's system. Next, check the ground wire. Place the red probe on the ground wire terminal in the harness. Place the black probe on a good ground point. You should read close to 0 volts. If you do not get the correct power or ground readings, the problem is with your car's wiring or engine control unit, not the sensor itself. Remember to disconnect the battery again after this test. 3. Resistance check. For 2-wire sensors and some 3-wire inductive sensors, some sensors, especially older or inductive types, can be tested for internal resistance. Ensure the sensor is completely disconnected from the car's harness. Set your multimeter to ohms ohm symbol. Place one probe on each terminal of the sensor itself. Consult your car's service manual for the specific resistance range for your sensor. Typically, a good inductive sensor will show a resistance between 500 ohms and 2000 ohms. If your multimeter reads OL, open circuit, or infinite resistance, the sensor's internal coil is broken. If it reads 0 ohms, it indicates a short circuit. Both suggest a faulty sensor. If your tests reveal no power, a bad ground, or an incorrect resistance reading, you have likely identified a faulty sensor or a wiring issue. If the sensor fails these tests, replacing it is the next step. After replacing the sensor, reconnect your battery. Start your car and check if the issue is resolved. You may need to clear any stored engine error codes using an OBD2 scanner. Understanding these simple tests can save you diagnostic time and money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this guide helps you confidently test your camshaft position sensor. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes and shares truly help. Consider subscribing to the channel for more practical car repair tutorials. Your support allows us to create more helpful content. We appreciate every single one of you.